Hey, hello everyone. So today we have this Dell Optiplex 7020. This one came on for repair. This one is not turning on. I am pressing the power button, but it does not come on. Okay, so the power is connected. Let's measure the power at this mains cord. We have how much? Let's go to AC. We have 251. It's a bit high, but it should work. So as you can see now, I have connected the power cord, but when I try to turn it on, it does not turn on. So let's measure if we have voltage coming out of this power supply. So if I leave one probe to ground, to any point at ground, and probe the green wire, we have 5 volts, as you can see, and this one is 11.4 volts, so 12 volts. So we have the voltage coming out of this power supply. So the power supply seems to be good, but we cannot turn on this PC. Let's measure the voltage at the power button. So at the power button we have nothing. As you can see, we have absolutely nothing. So at the power button cable we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables. 2 or 3 I mean are used for the LED indicator at the power button, which changes color: orange, white, and maybe red, and 2 are used for the power button, the yellow and the black one. The yellow is the ground, the black is the 5 volt or 3.3 volts from the Super I/O. So we don't have voltage at the power button. As you can see, we have nothing at all. Yeah, so there might be a problem with the EC chip. Let's measure at the EC chip. Do we have voltage there? We have 1.8 volts, which is, I think, normal. It might be normal. So let me try and go to continuity mode to test the power button. I know that there is no voltage at the power button, but let's test the power button if it is working. Yes, it is working, as you can see. Now I am probing the black wire and the yellow wire. So once again, black and yellow. Now we have nothing, but when I press the power button, we have continued. So the power button is good, but we don't have voltage there. So that means either we have the Super I/O is faulty, or there is something wrong with the line that connects the power button to the Super I/O. So unfortunately I couldn't find a data sheet for this motherboard, so I can know exactly which pin is used to provide the power button with the 3.2 volts. Okay, so what can I do is I can trace back the power button and see where it is going. Maybe there is a resistor which is burned, or open circuit, or a cut in the trace, or it might be the EC chip faulty. Yeah, so let me take the motherboard out and I will try and trace back and find where that power button is connected. Okay, so just one moment so I can take the motherboard out. Okay, so here is the motherboard. Let's find out where this power button pin goes. So if we try and in continuity mode trace where that button is going, most likely it is going somewhere near the super IO to a resistor, and then it goes to the super IO. So if we try and trace, let me trace. So here is the power button. It should go to a one pin of this super IO, but not straight away. It's through a resistor, so we might not be able to trace it back to the super IO just using continuity. So we need to find out where is it going. So I will try and find at which point it is going first, then we'll continue after it. I couldn't find it going anywhere near the super IO chip, so I measured all the resistors next to the super IO chip, but I couldn't find it. So I will have to measure throughout the board to see where is it going. The problem is I cannot see the trace that is going from this pin to the board. So if we measure this pin, which is the yellow one, it should go to the ground, and yes, it is, but this one should not connect to ground, should go to the super IO. I will have to measure again and see where is it going. Yes, it is going here actually. It's actually going here, this point. So we have a resistor here. If we go under the microscope so you can see it. So microscope, we have, what is this? Where is this? Yes, this one. Is that a flux? Or what is this? Is there someone tried to repair this board, or what is this? It looks like it's a flux. I don't know actually, but the power button goes to this resistor. Yeah, so this resistor from this side goes to the power button. If I connect to the power button, and here we have continuity, the other side we have nothing. If we measure this resistor, we should get some reading. So we have 100 ohms, 100.5, which is good actually. It's not open circuit. So now I have to connect one probe here and then try and trace where this point is going now. Let's go back to main camera. I will try and find it. Where is it going? So from here again, maybe this time it is going to the super IO. It's actually not. Maybe it's to another resistor, maybe a 0 ohm resistor which is blown, or might be a cut trace. it is not going anywhere near the Super IO. I mean the resistors, not any resistor. So can we trace the tracks where are going now? After this resistor we have, it's actually written here, reset switch, power switch. Yeah, so this resistor actually, we said from this side it is going here, or from this side. Let's go to oh, I forget to put the multimeter to continuity. Let's do it again. Camera. So from here should go to this resistor, and after the resistor we have 100 ohm. So now I want to trace where is it going. So again I couldn't find it. It should actually go to the Super IO after this resistor, but I don't know where is it going. Might be somewhere in the board. Let's find if there is any resistor this side. It's not going anywhere. So let's find out using the microscope if we can trace the track where is it going. So microscope. So we have the resistor, this one R067. So we said that we have the power button going this way and going from this via to the power button here to here, this one, and through this via and then to the resistor. After this resistor it goes it goes to this capacitor and then to this place, empty place, and then goes to here also. So all these no stuff. Okay, and after this, maybe this is, this is a resistor. After this resistor should go to this switch which is not mounted. So after this resistor it goes through this via, so we need to trace after this via from here, I mean from the resistor or from the via, we need to trace where is it going. Yeah, so we have here these three dots. Let's flip the board and see. Let me use the main camera so you can see where I am pointing. So these two resistor and capacitor, the resistor is connected through a via to the other side of the board, so it is going somewhere here. If I connect one probe here at this via and one somewhere here, yes, it is connected here. Okay, so I find it. This way is connected here. Let's go to microscope again. So it is connected here, this point. So now we need to trace this, where is it going. Let me trace it. So it is this one. So it is going somewhere here underneath this connector, but I don't know where, because it's not connected to this one. I think it is this one, because this one is the last one and it is going underneath, so it should be this one, but we have no continuity from here to there. Yeah, so it is this one, and it is not making a connection from here to here to there. So there might be a breakage somewhere between here. As you can see here, we have continuity, but here we have nothing. If this is the trace, so I have to remove this connector now, and we'll see if there is any break underneath that connector. So the connector is out. Let me just tweak this point. Yes. Let's go under the microscope and see if there is any broken point at that trace. So here is the connector, the intruder, and where is our via? Yes, this is our via, and we said if we connect to here, yeah, we have continued. Yeah, this is actually, you can see something here at this arrow. As you can see, we have no continuity here. So do we have here? Yes, we do have here, but not here. So from here also this way. Yes, so we have a break point here at this arrow, exactly at this arrow. So we need to repair this and hope if this will work. I don't know if these are breaks also. So what happened underneath this connector? Where are these going? I think to this. If we measure here, where is it going? This one to this via. We have nothing, do we? Yes, we do. So this is okay. What about this one? Also, this one is good. So we have no breaks at these points, two of these traces, but we do have here. I don't know if we have any breaks there. So let's first repair this trace and see if there is any other problems. Let's first measure these two, or these three traces. One is this one. This is going where? It's going, I think it's to the super IO. Yes, it is. This is good. This one, the same, I think. Yes, it is good. And this one, know if it is this one or it is this one. Yes, so it is connected. So we only have this point which is broken, that is connected to the power button. So let's fix this and see if this computer will come to life again. So let me just grind a little bit here, and then we can fix it. Now it's clear where the broken trace is. It's more clear after we grind these two. As you can see, we have a break here. So let's bring flux. Let's apply flux here, and let's bring a piece of wire. Let's measure now from the via here, from this via to here. Is it that via? Yes, it is. Yes, and we have continuity. Let's apply a little bit of solder mask. Okay, let's put this connector back. So now if we trace from here to this resistor, and after the resistor we have 100 ohms. After the resistor we should go to somewhere in the super IO. Yes, as you can see, we have it connected to the super IO. So now we can install the motherboard back to the case and test it. Okay, so I've installed everything, so let's connect the power cord and test. Okay, the power cord is inserted, so now let's try and turn it on. Yes, it is turning on. Wow, so it was that just broken trace. Let me connect the display. Let's bring the microscope display. I mean here. Yes. So if I connect the display, will we have a display? Yes, we do have a display. Yes. So this computer is now fixed. Yeah, so I wish you find it interesting. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.